To sign White Christmas in BSL, let's first look at the sign for white. Take your middle finger and thumb on your dominant hand and bring them together. Place them against your chest and then move your hand away from your chest, springing your hand open. White. Another sign you might see for white is your index finger brushing down against your chest. White. Colours in British Sign Language have many variations regionally, and that's okay. So if you see another sign being used, it's probably fine. And then follow the sign for white with the sign for Christmas. Christmas. Together, white, Christmas.